Welcome to the Suburban Studios Neenah Hotel. Stay at our Neenah, Wisconsin hotel, located just minutes from many Neenah area points of interest. This hotel is close to attractions like Fox River Mall, Badger Sports, and Bay Beach Amusement Park. Staying with us will make you feel comfortable and relaxed. We offer free parking, a 100% smoke-free hotel, and a pets allowed hotel. The hotel has free continental breakfast, air conditioning, laundry, and vending machines, truck parking, and more. People looking for hotels near Wisconsin Dells water parks often choose Suburban Studios Neenah. The well-named Suburban Studios Neenah is conveniently located in Neenah, Wisconsin. There are also nearby attractions such as Lambeau Field GB Packers and Kimberly Clark Corp. Visit our website link in the video description below, www.suburbanstudioneenah.com.